Take a look out the window. Spirit goes up as the rain falls down. I've been sitting on the wrong course, keeping it together like I did before. Think that I've said this a few times. Even with that, has it ever felt right? I swear that this has happened every morning.
Hola guys, it's Chelsea and today I'm gonna be going to the salon. Tagal ko na kasi ito gusto gawin kaso something happened with my ear. Kami ni Jill, nag-mall kami. Tapos nag-spontaneous ear piercing kami. Or naman kasi, meron na kasi akong 3 piercing. 2 dito, 1 dito. Tapos okay naman yun, gun yun. So pumayag ako. Kaso, something's happened. As in, sobrang lumala yung tenga ko. And it lasted for how many months na nagkakaroon ako ng bumps. Hindi ako comfortable, hindi ako makagalaw. Anyway, recently, nung parang tumuyo yung bump ko, naging sugat kasi siya. Pinatanggal ko na yung hikaw. And so, now, I am more comfortable. Gagalaw na yung tenga ko. Kasi before, kahit onting sagi lang, as in, sobrang parang mayayanig na yung mundo ko. Ayun nga, ang tagal ko na kasi gusto magpa-salon. Gusto ko talaga magpa-rebond. Miss ko na yung parang straight yung hair ko. Yung hair ko ngayon, naka-plancha pa to from yesterday. Hindi ko na siya binasa today. Pero kapag natutuyo yung hair ko, medyo siya, frizzy. Kasi diba galing ako sa bleached highlights. Sana nga pumayag sila kasi diba dinark ko to. Pero yung parts na may highlights ako, brown siya. Pero the rest is parang black na. Kasi alam nyo, na-realize ko talaga na mas confident ako when my hair is just straight. Parang lang, no fuss, ready to go type of hair, straight. I wanna go for that again. Tada! I found my bag. Ang tagal ko ito hinahanap. This is my outfit of the day. I'm wearing this green long sleeveless pants that I turned into shorts. Tapos, clogs that I bought from Sukat the Label. Sobrang ganda ng premium clogs nila. I already have 2. Pero yung green ko kasi na clogs, parang yun yung sa more affordable option nila. So this one, I think is more expensive. Parang 900 or 1K siya. Pero it's super worth it. And it's my first time wearing it out kasi lagi akong parang medyas. Bago ko madumihan ang aking clogs, this is what it looks like. It's so nice. So yeah, let's wear it today. This is our outfit. And let's go and regain our confidence. Time check, it is 7:26. And umalis ata ako mga 4 p.m. So it took parang 3 hours. Since yung hair ko ay medyo yung awkward length na prone talaga mag-fly away kasi malapit siya sa shoulder pa. Sabi nung hairstylist, wag ko daw hayaang parang magstay sila nakaganyan kasi baka daw mag-wave. Pero ayan, so far, this is what my hair looks like. I really love it! 2 years ago yung rebond ko. Dapat last year siya. Kaso nung last year, namimili ako kung rebond or color. Tapos yung pinili ko is hair color, yung may highlights. Kasi I wanted something new. But then I realized I am really more confident with just straight hair. And I realized ko, sobrang tamad ko talaga with hair. And the thing with highlights kasi, if hindi ka mahilig mag-style, it doesn't look super nice. Lalo na kapag syempre nakaka-dry, diba? Kapag binibleach. So yung highlights ko, since gusto ko lagi straight na yung hair ko, di ako marunong magkulot, di ako magaling mag-style. Ang pangit niya tingnan kapag parang, hindi to kapag nabasa ko siya after 2 days. Trusted ko naman yung T&J pagdating sa rebond. Kaso nga lang kasi, first time ko magpa-rebond na mayroon pa akong highlights. Yung mga nakaraan ko kasing rebond, as in parang black na talaga yung hair ko, natural hair. So, yung and I'm super happy with this. I think this was the next day. I went to the mall to purchase the camera na gusto kong bilhin kasi I've been wanting to get a compact camera since last year. Kaso, hindi kasi madaling bilhin na lang yung mga ganito. Mahal ang mga cameras, guys. So, pinag-isipan ko siyang mabuti. And I was choosing between Canon and Sony. Hirap kasi talaga, whenever I go outside, meron kasi akong vibe talaga na gusto. Na minsan hindi ko nakukuha sa main vlogging camera ko. Nakukuha ko siya dun sa isa. So, I tend to bring 2 cameras with me. For my compact camera, I decided to go for Sony just to experience the best of both worlds from both brands. Anyway, this is me testing out the camera while making matcha. Actually, ano na to, mga 2 weeks old na ata siya. I bought a new camera and it's actually what I'm filming with right now. Yeah, let's just pretend na ngayon ko pa lang siya unbox. Wanted to get white at first, pero they didn't release the white version in the Philippines. This is the Sony ZV-1 Mark II, by the way. Its screen is here. I'm filming this using my M50. Here I am. Hello! This is the view. Hello! Ito siya kapag nakatagilid. Ang bigat ng lens niya kasi in-upgrade ko yung lens niya to wide lens. For comparison, I have here the 14 Pro and it is this big. Yeah, this is my new camera. I wasn't able to get a freebie, yung tripod niya na may parang remote. Dapat kasi sasali ako sa pre-order but I wanted to wait for the reviews. But I got a free 64GB na SD card. This is another freebie. They got me a limited edition pouch. So, I'm using the Sony now. And super ganda nung ano neto, product focus. So it's so fast. This one also comes with a windscreen. This black one came with the Sony box. Tapos ito namang cotton candy. It comes with the freebie that they gave me. Okay, so some other things that I got. Extra batteries, dalawa. Nag-charge sila ngayon, pero I usually get yung mga extra batteries ko from Lazada or Shopee from the brand Wasabi Power. Of course, I got a camera case. So got this brown camera strap. I like the color combo. Hindi nga lang siya kasya sa camera ko, yung itong tali niya masyadong makapal. I am super happy with this purchase. Hello guys, this is Chelsea testing out the Sony ZV-1 Mark II. And ito siya kapag may ring light pero hindi nakatapat sa akin, nakaganyan. Tapos ito siya kapag walang ilaw at all, as in sobrang dilim ngayon. Pero yan, just mag-add tayo ng isa pang lamp. Saan natin yung lamp ko? Oh, and binigyan pala ako ng regalo ng friend ng kuya ko, si Kuya Marky. He gave me a mic that I'm super happy about kasi first time ko lang din magka-mic. This is from the brand Saramonic. Tapos, ito yung itsura niya. Meron siyang box na ganyan. This is the mic. This is what the audio looks like without any external mic. And now, I'm gonna put it. Ta-da! So, it is working. Hopefully, I don't know if it sounds better. Sana may difference. Can you guys hear itong tapping? Okay ba siya? I don't know if it's doing something. But yeah, thank you so much, Kuya Marky, for the gift. I'm so excited to vlog with this. I've been vlogging with it a lot. Kasi it's just super small, it's super compact. Kasi minsan kapag umaalis ako, nagdadala pa ako ng extra bag or parang napipilitan pa ako napalitan yung bag ko into something bigger kasi hindi kasya yung camera ko. So this time, kasya na ang aking camera sa aking mga smaller bags. So ayun guys, wala talaga akong masyadong ganap pero every week, ginugol ko to go to a cafe, basta at least once or twice. Usually weekend siya kasi inaaya ko ng friends ko or inaaya ko sila and this really helps kasi everything that I do is digital. Lumipat kami ng cafe kasi yung music option sa kabila, ingay. So dito medyo nice. Work from home ako, so it really helps na parang I change my setting, you know, a change of scenery really helps. Hindi lang siya pa-cute na mapunta lang ako ng cafe. It really helps me to become more productive and actually get some work done. Today's agenda, we are gonna, angle. Coffee first, and then later we're gonna go to the Ukay. Ukay.
Hello guys!
Hello guys! So this is gonna be a spontaneous vlog.
Gina-update you guys kung ano makuha na. Ay, mag-haul kami. Try namin if di kami haggard.
Pero sana may ma-haul tayo.
Pupunta kami sa may España. Mag-uukay kami. Try natin yung mga available.
Kasi ang dami na sila nagsara. Meron dun yung
This is our fit. Show them your tote bag. Yeah! Yeah!
Take a look out the window.
Okay, this one is a spontaneous weekend. I'm spending it with Rupert and Jill. Nag-ukay lang kami and I'm gonna bring you guys along with me kahit na medyo iba na yung mga ukay ngayon.
Think that I've said this a few times. Even with that, has it ever felt right? I swear that this has happened every moment.
Yun, nakatambay lang kami dito sa coffee project. Tapos kumain kami ng kwek-kwek and gulaman. Tapos order kami ng dynamite ni Jill. Di naman namin kaya. Bumili siya ng gata. Iyak siya. Si Rupert suot niya yung clogs from Sukat the Label. Wait lang yan. Gargle mo. Pasabayan ng malamig. We're now here at Yowell.
I get lost, you go with your day. Slowly get closer, but you're moving away. I know it's just a weekend, but I'm sure you'll never see that. Rather take it all back.
First Ukay is sa tabi ng may Dunkin. Actually, medyo mahal yung prices nila ngayon. So, I'm not sure if titingin kami kasi naka-budget kami today. Let's see if there's some nice pieces. This one looks nice. So, medyo mahal siya. Ito ba ito? 800? Pero maganda. Leather.
So can we ever have another moment?
Ganda sana na ito per two. Kasi meron siyang mga marks. Ganda ng shape. Ng puffer bag. Shoes. Tada! Ito pala yung itsura ng first na ukay. Ba't di na kami titingin kasi medyo pricey today. 119 yung blouses. Siguro kung mga 50, 80 lang yung 80. Mga 80 yung aking budget per item. Ganda ng print eh. Kaso hindi ko masyado gusto yung design ng top. Pero pag ni-rework, it's nice.
I know it's just a recap, but I'm sure you'll never see.
Ito naman yung katabi ng McDonald's. Also new arrival, but we're gonna check.
Cause I'm sure you'll never see that. Rather take it all back. Bring it back, bring it back. Oh, I'm sure you'll never see that. Rather take it all back. Bring it back. Cause I'm sure you'll never see that. Rather take it all back.
Ang ganda, kasi hindi ko to size.
For you are sunlight, stay in the shade. Dancing
Last stop na sana sale.
space, cause I
Ano yung
wanna
mabili
believe
tayo?
that. Get lost,
Or
go
ano?
with your day. Slowly getting closer, but you're moving away. I know it's just a weekend, but I'm sure you'll never see that. Rather take it all back.
Limitless. This quote has been a reminder to me that possibilities are endless. In this frog, we're actually supporting the Alright, first fridge. How about you spoke refrigerator?
I've been wearing this shirt for 4 days.
This is very
It's really comfy, so I keep wearing it. Kasi sa kwarto lang naman.
Ang simple lang talaga ng buhay ko. That's why I don't vlog on a daily basis kasi wala rin ako masyadong mapapakita. Pero itong araw na to, ito yung hindi na ako nakatulog. Inabot na ako ng umaga. And wala, nakatitig lang ako sa kwarto ko. I'm just appreciating it. And I love na, ayun, may araw kasi it's been raining a lot the past few days. And then ayun, magugulat ka na lang, it's another weekend and another cafe day. So yeah, this is an excuse to just fix myself up and dress up. And once again, kasama na naman natin si Jill.
Hindi ko siya kinausap na wala. Trip pa. Kaya
How do I... Wala parang ano... Ganda, no?
Actually, pag weekends, umaalis din ako with friends kasi these are the only days that's convenient for them to, you know, catch up kasi they work from Mondays to Fridays, usual work setting. Whereas ako kasi mas flexible yung schedule ko kaya madalas wala akong kasama pag weekend lang sila free. So anyway, pumunta kami ng Robinson's Magnolia. I bought a glass and then the next days after that, it was raining palagi. Katulad ngayon, it's raining as I'm recording this and honestly, I don't really like rainy days. I prefer para mga kinda sunny days or sunny days.
Tada! Masarap yung kimchi. Kimchi. This is our dinner for tonight. Budget samgyup. 350 siya. 350 only fish cakes.
Struggle, and there's beauty in the pain. So if love is a struggle, I guess there's beauty in everything.
Yeah, just like what this song suggests, there's beauty in every day. And kahit na hindi ko talaga masyado gusto ang maulan, we're gonna make it a great day. Anyway, I'm ending this vlog with this K barbecue night. Thank you guys so much for clicking on this, and I'll see you next week for another video.
Rain